Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.4% against the yen. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 5.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The International Energy Agency has upped its average Brent crude oil price assumption for 2022. But predicted a rally may ease off as prices that hit a three-year high last month push up global production. The euro was huddled at a 16-month low while the dollar was firm as traders awaited U.S. retail sales data, wary a strong reading could stoke inflation and add pressure on the Federal Reserve to hike rates. Brave's desktop browser now includes a crypto wallet. You can make purchases and trades without an extension.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's Consumer Price Index will be released at 1000 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1200 GMT. The Austrian HICP at 0800 GMT. The US housing starts will be released at 1330 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. The UK's retail price index at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.